Wicked Modder here with a send-in service proof video for Mark L. Mark, this is the console that you sent in for our GH service. It is a Trinity motherboard, which implies the 16 megabyte NAND. We RGH'd it using the Matrix V1 CR4 speedup method, aka the Muffin method. That uses the Matrix V1 chip with the crystal disabled and the onboard standby clock. You've got a disk here inside this paper sleeve that has backup copies of all of your original NAND, CPU key, Freestyle Dash, Dash Launch, XCX menu, lots of good stuff there. Pop it in your PC and check it out. We did do the blue custom LEDs here, and I'm noting that we're coming up on 45 seconds and still don't have a boot here. Oh, there we go. I just said it. So 48 seconds if we counted from right from the beginning of the video, and I think I was talking for a few moments first. Anyway, what I was saying was that you've got all that good stuff on the disk, so check that out if you want. We're going to do another boot just to show you the boot times are a little better here. We've got Freestyle Dash, Dash Launch, XCX menu all pre-installed. So let's go ahead and do that real quick. Let's power this guy off, and then let's just do one more boot here, because I've booted it half a dozen times at least, and that was the slowest of them yet. So what was that, 130 plus a couple seconds? There we go. So that was 158-ish, so 130. That was a 30-second boot, 15 seconds faster. The update that I did with the Avatar update, and this is how I know it was catching this way before, is when you apply the Avatar update, the system does a reboot, and then it just kind of hangs until it catches that next glitch, and that happened at an insta-boot. And the other ones have been 20, 25-second boots here, so let's just do one more. Make me feel better, because my 5 boot average was under 30. Alright, so I'm going to go at 2 minutes 40 seconds. There we go, 2 minutes 55, 56, so that was a 15-second boot, sub 20 second. So you can see the performance is consistently way under a minute, usually in that 30-second sub range, so nice solid boot performance on these. You're never really waiting around for them too long. So this one's a post-pay, so follow the instructions in your proof video email. Once you get paid, it'll get shipped out, and we'll be good to go. Thanks.